Have you ever seen spots like these showing up on your photos, but you weren't really sure how to fix them? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how right in this video. These spots started appearing in my photos about a couple of weeks ago, and it was kind of frustrating because, depending on where the spots appeared, it was not always easy to edit them out in post-production. So that pretty much trashed that day's worth of shooting. But the worst was the spots also started appearing on photos taken on a separate day. This was still the case after I had tried cleaning the lenses. I even tried cleaning the little mirror inside the DSLR with this special pen. But the spots were still there. Yeah. After doing a bit of research, I figured out the problem was not on any of the lenses or the mirror. It was actually on the camera's light sensor. And fortunately, I also talked about the way to fix this, which I'm going to show you right now. With a quick shout out to Petapixel and thanks for the information on how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is purchase a camera light sensor cleaning kit. As you can see, you can pick these up on Amazon for between $15 and $30. The kit is very simple. It includes the cleaning solution as well as some swabs. You'll also want to get an air blower bulb if that doesn't come included in the kit that you purchased. To start the cleaning process, you'll need to move the DSLR mirror out of the way so you can access the light sensor. To do that, you'll need to switch the camera into program mode. Then go into camera settings, select maintenance, and clean manually. This moves the mirror back, exposing the light sensor. Next, you'll want to blow out the dust particles so you don't scratch the sensor when you do go in for the cleaning. Now you're ready to apply the cleaning solution. Start by putting a drop or two of the solution onto the swab. And just be sure it's only 1 or 2 drops, you don't need any more. If you put too much on, it could leave streaks on your photos, which is not much better than spots. Now you're ready to carefully swab the light sensor with the swab. Just do a few full-length strokes, applying light pressure. Be sure to throw the swabs out after one use. Don't get cheap on me because that could wreck your sensor. That's it for the cleaning process. Now you can turn the power off in order to put the camera's mirror back in place. And there it is. So next you can reassemble the rest of the camera now. Okay, let's go test this out now. And now for the moment of truth. And as you can see, the spots are gone, and that's true even when we turn down the highlights. Or even if we turn down the brightness and zoom right in. So there you have it. If you found this helpful, drop me a like or a comment for the algorithm, and we'll see you in the next video.